Alright, man. Since you don't want to FaceTime me, let's go show you what's going on here. I got this thing hooked up to this keyboard. This is, this says in, but this is the out. This says out, but this is the in. Alright. There's that flashing. And here's what you're gonna have. I'm assuming, because of this interface, okay, it does not allow me, if I go up here and I add a track, I'm going to add instrument track, I'm going to pick my input, my new keyboard, which is what this is. And, okay, so it's armed, you see that. And then, so here it is playing on this. So I can go in here and if I do this, it's armed, I record, you'll see it picking it up. See, so it picks it up, but here's the problem. Once it picks it up, if I back it up and I want to listen to it again, I hit play, why don't I hear anything? Well, I'm assuming that is because of this interface. This interface does not allow sounds to go from the device into the computer. Alright, so now I'm going to add another track. Actually, I'm going to add an instrument track. Add instrument track. And I'm going to my new keyboard, which is this. Now, I go over here to my sounds. Let's my sounds. Let's say we want, let's go with keyboards. Let's go with the grand piano. I mean, that's what you're trying to do. So what I'll do is I'll grab that, and I'll pick that track up, and I'll drop it in there. Now when I drop it in there, it comes up over here, which, if you only have one screen, it'll come up on one screen. And this just allows me to set everything up the way I want it to sound. Filters, compressors, and stuff like that. So then what happens is that if I go down here and then I back this up and I hit this, right? Alright, see that? Now it's responding. Now what it's doing is sending my sound from the computer through the keyboard, through this keyboard, and back into the computer. So the keyboard's telling it what I'm playing. So at that point in time, it's armed, you see that. So I can hit record down here. I'm recording, and you see it's working over there. Alright. So then I can back it up, and I want to hear it. Like over here, it's transposing it for me and stuff. It's a really nice application. So that's how it works. That's it. It's not going to matter, and it'd be when you plug it into your piano, your actual piano sound. It wouldn't even be recording your actual piano sound anyhow. You would. At that point, you need a microphone if you want to record the actual acoustics of your piano sound. And at that point, you would need an interface, which that little gold one right there is the interface. The other two things just something I acquired. And that interface would, if you had a MIDI cable, allow you to play the sounds from your piano into your computer. But with your DWA having the sounds and plenty of sounds, it doesn't really matter. But if you're trying to go for the acoustic sound of your piano, you're going to need a microphone, and you're going to need an interface, and you're going to need a stand, and you're going to need a cable. So it works, but that's how it works. So this piece right here is only good to bring it out of your computer, into your keyboard, back into your computer. All right.